Bacon and corn mini quiches with basil pesto. Start by preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, then lightly grease 6 10cm fluted tart tins with removable bases. Place one filo sheet on a clean work surface, fold it in half lengthways and spray with olive oil spray. Fold into thirds crossways to form a square. Repeat with another filo sheet and spray with olive oil spray. Place one sheet over the other, turning slightly. Then line one of the prepared trays with the pastry, gently scrunching the excess pastry. Repeat with the remaining pastry and the prepared tins. Pop in the oven and bake for 8 to 10 minutes or until the pastry is light golden. Reduce the oven temperature to 160 degrees Celsius. Then use a clean tea towel to gently press the centre of the pastry. While the pastry is in the oven, heat a frying pan over medium heat. Add the bacon and cook stirring for 5 minutes or until crisp. Transfer to a plate lined with paper towel. Next, use a knife to cut down the sides of the corn to release the kernels. Place the kernels in a heat-proof bowl and pour over enough boiling water to cover and set aside for 2 minutes. Drain and refresh under cold water, draining well. Place the creamed corn and eggs in a large bowl. Whisk until combined. Add the corn kernels and bacon and whisk to combine. Spoon the corn mixture evenly among the pastry cases, then bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the filling is just set. Transfer the quiches to a serving platter and a sprinkling of rocket. Drizzled with basil pesto, these mini quiches are a delicious option for picnics and outdoor gatherings.